Hello, I'm Andrea Krohn from the Andrea Krohn Agency, and today I want to tackle one of the most searched questions online. How much life insurance do I really need? If you're like millions of people typing this into Google right now, you're probably worried about leaving your loved ones protected without overpaying. Let's break it down simply. First, think about your income. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 10 to 15 times your annual salary. For example, if you earn $50,000 a year, that's $500,000 to $750,000 in coverage to replace your earnings, but don't stop there. Factor in debts like your mortgage, car loans, or student debt. Add those up so your family isn't burdened. Next, consider your family's future needs. College tuition for kids' daily living expenses, or even funeral costs, which average around $10,000. If you have young children, you might need more to cover childcare or lost income from a stay-at-home parent. Age and health play a role too. Locking in coverage early when you're healthy keeps premiums low, but remember, everyone's situation is unique. Online calculators are a start, but they can't replace personalized advice. That's where I come in. Call the Andrea Krohn Agency today to get a free, no-obligation quote tailored to you and your needs. Don't wait. Secure the best coverage now and gain peace of mind for tomorrow. I'm here to help you. Call today.